Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about what comes after 27. 27. Which number is missing? 28 and 29. 27, 28, 29. 40. 40. Which number is missing? 41 and 42. 40, 41, 42. 39. 39. Which number is missing? 40. 39, 40. 48. 48. Which number is missing? 49. 48, 49. Look, write the missing numbers. 32. Which number is missing? 33, 34, 35, 36. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Look, what comes before? 11. 11. Yes, you are right. 10 and 9. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. 30. 30. Yes, you are right. 29 and 28. 28, 29, 30. 25. 25. Which number is missing? 24. 24. 24, 25. 47. 47. Which number is missing? Yes, you are right. 46. 46, 47. I hope you understood this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.